which animal early man good companion? Do you know? Dog. Okay, dog is a good companion of early man because to prevent the entry of such dangerous animals. Next, dog has special sniffing skills. Sniffing means மோப்ப சக்தி அதிகமுடைய animal dog. Okay, so they started domesticating dogs for the protection and hunting activities. Okay, then from this we also know how inscription, monuments and copper plates, accounts of foreigners or foreign travelers, folk tales play a vital role in constructing and reconstructing history. Okay, so Tamilini told, now I completely understand what history is, Amma. Thank you, Amma. Okay, have you all understand? See, summary, the lifestyle of prehistoric people can be understand from the stone, tools, rock paintings, fossils and other excavated materials. Okay, proto-history is the period between prehistory and history. Okay, then early humans domesticated dogs for their protection and hunting activities. Okay, mighty emperor Ashoka followed the path of peace and dharma. Okay, Dharma Chakra with 24 spokes in our national flags. It was taken from Sarnath pillar of Ashoka. Okay, have you all understand? Listen the video students. Prehistory, it means 3 million years to 3000 BC. Okay, history 3000 BC to nowadays. See, prehistory, it is Paleolithic, Neolithic. Okay, lithic means stone. Okay, Paleolithic 3 million years to 10,000 BC. Neolithic 10,000 BC. BC means before common era. Okay, first human spaces 2.5 million years BC, use of fire 1 million years BC. Neolithic, agriculture begins 10,000 BC. Okay, invention of writing 3000 BC. Ancient age 3000 BC to 476 AC. Okay, medieval age time 476 AC to 1492 AC. Then fall of Western Roman Empire 476 AC. Then modern age, Columbus discovered America 1492 AC. Then contemporary age 1789 accounts to 2011 AC. French Revolution 1789 AC. Okay, then see, early man lived in caves and jungles. They don't know how to make food. It is a Paleolithic, then Mesolithic, then Neolithic age. See, the lifestyle of people, they are used as stone, tools, weapons. See, sharp weapons, tools. Then hammer, axe, they are used. See, history, gathering, most gathering was done by women. They gathering food like wild plants, okay, seeds, fruits and nuts. Okay, then fire, people learn to use fire to cook their food. Okay, then hunting, most hunting was done by men. They worked together to bring down large animals. Okay, gathering work is main work for women. Hunting work was done by men. Okay, then art. People painted heads of animals and gives balls. Okay, gives balls. They are painted. Then tools. Early people learned to make tools such as this spear for hunting. Okay, have you all understand? Early man lifestyle. They are used tools for hunting to prevent from the wild animals. See how Stone Age was humans made hand axes. See, the process started with a large piece of rock. Okay, then the humans roughly shaped the rock with a stone hammer. Then using a hammer made a wood, stone or antler, they sharpened the edge. Okay, then they trimmed the edge by praying of tiny flakes with a pointed stick. Okay, finished hand axe. See the video. Early man how to make hand axes. Okay. Then they settled near river bank of river. Then this is a stool. So tools size, listen. See how many type of tools they are used in early man life. See totally how many tools they are used. 15 kinds of tools they are used. Okay, see the width and breadth 1 centimeter. Okay, thick 1 centimeter. Then they are lived in caves, hunting animals, agriculture. See, then gradually they learned how to cultivate the grapes. Next, grazing the animals, cultivate the grapes. Then they invented the wheels. They make a fire to prevent the animals and to protect from themselves heat, cold and rain. Okay students, have you all understand what is a history? History means it is a study of past events in chronological order. History is derived from the Greek word historia. Historia means learning by inquiry. Okay, then how to live the early man lifestyle we have understand. Then have you all understand Asoka? Okay, then listen, take your book, see the glossary meaning. See glossary meanings fully how to read well. Then lesson 1 fully read. Okay, see today homework is history lesson 1 fully read well. Then glossary words read and write 2 times in your rough note. Okay. Have you all understand? History, what is history? Lesson fully read well. Okay, still a lesson 1 fully read, then glossary words read and write 2 times in your rough note. Next class we will see write book bag exercise and class work also we will write. Okay, thank you students.